Ready? It's Michael back, but this time I have a guest. This is gun expert Charlie. No, I'm just kidding, he's not a gun expert. He knows absolutely nothing.
I can shoot a gun though, somewhat.
He's got an arrow, he calls it his bayonet. So, it doesn't have a tip on it anymore. I broke it. So, today me and Charlie are going to do arsenal video of all of our guns. He's my cousin, not my brother, just in case you're wondering, because we don't look a lot alike. So, the computer's a little up high today, so we're in our living room. Just hopefully it's not too bad.
I couldn't find the red dot laser thing.
We're gonna start with the cheapest pistol we have. This is my pistol. It came free with 10,000 rounds of ammo at Sports Authority. My firing spring right now, it's right here. I don't know if it's called firing spring, but it's right here. That usually makes this go right back up, but it doesn't always, so you kind of have to push it. But it makes it look cool. So this came free, like I said. It's got a metal mag. Where's the mag release? The mag release. It doesn't have really a mag release button.
You push it forward.
Yeah, at the bottom you push this thing forward and you pull it out. Metal mag, metal trigger, metal safety. And this is actually a very good gun. You would think it would be crappy. It's not very accurate. It's just got a groove set right here.
But
so it's a groove with a dot at the end.
But you don't notice that it's going to get you actually. It's not.
It's a pretty good gun. It's a really good gun to carry in a holster. And now we have Charlie's pistol. This I kind of remind USB. It's kind of like a USB 45, but
it looks like an M1911.
Yeah, it's an M1911, I guess. Not a USB 45. USB 45 is more square. But the mag is good because I'll open it up here.
Other one.
The mag is very hard to open up. There we go. So there's a little slot in there that you dump all your BBs in, then you close it, then you pull the spring down on this mag, and you shake it down, and then the BBs will come in here and you just release the spring, you put it back in again, cock, and shoot your friend.
It's not accurate, but it was
not. It's not even close to accurate.
It was really accurate, but then I lost the orange tip because I dropped it. So
he didn't mod it.
I don't think there's any way you can do that.
So then now we have this my cheap Scorpion. This gun was $4 on eBay, so I just bought it because my friend owed me some money, and I just spent my $4 because it was free shipping. It's very bad. It's a spring gun, so I broke it because I was cocking it like this in my hand, but you have to put it on your stomach and pull it back. Otherwise, this grip will just snap. And it holds quite a bit of ammo in the mag.
Was it good when it worked?
It was alright.
Yeah,
it was pretty accurate. Then it's got this stock that comes out. Like I said, it's spring, so the stock is really pointless because when you have the stock, you can just you don't want to keep it like this on the gun because you're gonna have to take it down. You're gonna have to put it back on this after shooting once. To cock it, and that gun has a good safety. Now, the Mossberg shotgun. It's this gun and that pistol, this black pistol, with $35 together. It's $440. This is Charlie's guns.
It's pretty good.
It's really good. I like it a lot. It's the same mag concept as a pistol. You open it up, you dump your BBs in. You pull down the spring and you shake it up. Then it looks like a Mossberg. Who? Put in the comments if you think it looks like a Mossberg.
Or Spaz.
No, Spaz, not Spaz. It does not look like a Mossberg really with the mag in it. So it just looks the mag. It looks better without the mag. It would have been great if they could have kept it without the mag.
Yeah, but then it would hold 5 bullets.
So.
I felt air on that.
I want a Tokyo Mari Spaz 12. They're so boss.
This has 400 FPS, so it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's really good and it does not have a sight. It has a tactical rail right here. I tried to fit my rifle scope on it, but it didn't work.
If you pump it twice like that, it'll shoot 2 bullets instead of 1.
Yeah. So that's that gun. Yeah.
It's not bad. Well, it's actually good.
I think it's kind of plastic mag. And then the tactical rail is metal, I think. Now for my favorite gun. This is my gun.
It has a bayonet.
Yeah, it doesn't have an but then that's the arrow.
Broke it.
The Kalashnikov AK-47. Excuse me. Kalashnikov AK-47. This gun, it does not cock with this right here, but it has semi-automatic and fully automatic. And if you're wondering why it's so slow and fully automatic right now, it's because this gun is out of battery already, and you just open this gun up at the butt. If you've seen some of my other videos, you might have seen a review of this AK-47. So you open it up, you put your battery in, and you just put this back on. Charges for 7 hours. I charged it for 12 on accident. Or no, charges for 5 hours. I actually charged it for 12. It holds 550 rounds in the mag. High cap, wind up magazine. It does not go in like a regular AK-47 mag. It doesn't go in like this. It goes in just straight. So that's just, it's not that scale. So then this gun is very accurate.
I shot him behind a pole. And behind a car.
The pole was very big. So,
and then he shot me through a tree.
With this gun is very accurate. It's got an adjustable sight.
It's pretty good FPS too for automatic gun.
Like, so you just push this forward for to make it the sight higher. You pull it down to make it lower. And what are you doing, Charlie? And it comes with a ramming rod and a cleaning rod. This gun is $75 at Sports Authority. $90 without being on sale, but I got it for $75.
Yeah, I got another gun.
And that's Kalashnikov AK-47. And if you wonder why I'm wearing the same shirt in all my videos, it's because I'm not doing all these videos in the same day, just different days. It's just, yeah.
And this thing,
that's a ow.
If you take like, there's a popper thing on some of the other ones. If you take that off and take the spring out, you can shoot it. It'll shoot it.
It doesn't work.
Yeah, it does.
I just like hurt my finger.
I did it at school.
Okay, so comment, subscribe, like me and Charlie here.
So that was a little. I don't make.
Bye. We will see you next time.